Good morning, all. Today we will discuss inheritance. So far we have discussed basic class, object, method, and method overloading. Now we'll go to inheritance. So inheritance, it's already studied in C++. So what is an inheritance? Acquiring a property of one class to another class. That is simply inheritance. So inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all properties of behaviors of parent object. So we have two classes. One class is known as parent class, then second class is known as child class. We can acquire property from parent class to child class. So idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon existing class. So without modifying the parent class, you can add features of parent class to child class. So already discussed with some examples. So you can reuse methods and fields of parent class. The parent class contains fields and methods, that is functions and data members. You can copy or you can use those fields and methods to child class. And you can also add new methods and field. So inheritance represents is a relationship. That is, if suppose class A is available with the parent class and class B also available with child class, then B is a child of A. So that is known as is a relationship, which is also known as parent-child relationship. The child can acquire all properties of parent. This is up to inheritance. Then why we go for inheritance in Java? So already discussed about method overloading. So method overloading is the same function can be used for different purpose with the different arguments or changing arguments. So that is method overloading. Then suppose if you want to use a method with the same name, the same arguments and number of arguments same, that is prototype of methods is similar. This is known as method overriding. So we'll go deep in next videos. So we can implement method overloading. It's also known as runtime polymorphism. So runtime polymorphism can be achieved using inheritance. The second and most usable method is code reusability. So programmer no need to start from the scratch. He can copy or he can acquire the properties from one class to another. So now let's see what is the syntax of Java inheritance. This is also discussed in the syntax for class. So class, subclass name, extend, superclass name. For a inheritance, there should be minimum two class. One class will be act as parent class, then second class will be act as child class. So if you want to copy properties of parent class to child class, we will use the syntax class, child class name. Then here we will use a keyword extends. So extends indicate that properties are copied from parent class to child class, or it is an inheritance. So class, child class name, extend, superclass name. Then you can access all methods and fields from the parent class, and also you can add more methods and fields. The extend keywords indicate that you are making a new class that derives from a existing class. The meaning of extend is to increase the functionality. It is extends. Now let's see a simple example. Here class employee, a class is available with the name employee. Salary for employee is fixed. Then he can create another category, another class, that is programmer. A programmer is also employee. So he will get the basic advantage, basic package from employee. In addition to that, he will get some extra. So here indicate some bonus. So for a programmer, he will get extra bonus. The remaining properties are same. So employee can be added to programmer. So programmer is extends from employee. So this can be in demonstrate in detail with the program. Then types of inheritance in Java. So here available types of inheritance are single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. Please note, multiple inheritance and hybrid is not available through this class. There are some another mechanism. So first one is single inheritance. A single class is derived from a single base class. The type of inheritance is known as single inheritance. Then multi-level inheritance. Here first class B is derived from class A. Class A is a parent class and class B is the child class. Again the class B will be act as parent class for another class, that is class C. So class C is derived from class B. This kind of implementation is known as multi-level. Now class A is a super class. Then hierarchical. If more than one class is derived from a single base class, that kind of inheritance is known as hierarchical inheritance. So single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, then hierarchical inheritance. These are the three types of inheritance. Multiple inheritance is not supported through class. It has some another mechanism we will discuss later. Now we will go to some simple examples to demonstrate these inheritance.